Hey, welcome to Living Life with Barefoot. We are Mallory's children, except for this is her grandkid. We are going to unbox one of her microgreen kits, and we're going to show you how that goes. Me and my little one are going to take it with us when we leave, so let's see how it goes.
She's down there.
So dirt, 3 seeds, broccoli, sunflower, and salad mix. And then we got our microgreens made simple booklet and calendar. Char Char, look at this. It's a sticker. There's a sticker and there's a card with it.
Here's the trays.
Put it on already.
Trays.
Alright. So you get a top tray, has holes in it, and then you get a bottom tray, one of the bottom trays with no holes. Put it like that, put it on top of each other, and then you put half of this bag in one tray and the other tray. Turn. Perfect. Alright, so we're gonna put a little bit in here and a little bit in here.
Bunch the big chunks up. Just like I'm doing.
Alright, Char, can you mush it all up? Mush all the dirt.
Okay. I'm tapping.
Okay. So you get all the chunks out, and then you just make it as smooth as you can. Just like this. Okay, all good. Char Char, do you like greens?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's your favorite, do you know? Do you like broccoli?
Broccoli.
You like broccoli? Yeah. And the one she's talking about is actually right here. Gotta put the seeds on it.
Me and Charlotte.
Do you get it wet first? Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. Alright. I saved the day. I actually forgot about that part. You gotta get the soil pretty wet.
Oh, they're
not
not
like super soggy
Hey,
wet.
they're not seeds.
Yeah, there is. There's seeds right there. We're
They're
gonna plant them.
They're little ones.
Yeah, they're little ones. Tell me. That's pretty good.
You
So we're
plant
gonna do the
these
broccoli
seeds in that
seeds in this one, and then sunflower in that one. Yes. Okay.
Can I do it?
So, whoa, yeet. Sorry, whoa. Just gotta smooth it out kind of evenly. Try, baby. I'm gonna put them in this tray. Try to put them as even as you can throughout the whole tray.
It ain't opening.
There.
Oh my.
Oh my. These are definitely my favorite, the sunflower, but helping Mal with all of her picking the sunflowers off isn't the funnest job, so we'll see how this goes for myself. Spent hours at least. But it's well worth it. Well worth it.
I think that's pretty spreaded.
They're pretty much all spread out, and then next you give it another water. Oh. Yeah. Right?
Yeah. Oh, opened it. Probably got
we don't need those ones, baby.
Probably got 2.
Okay, and then you just
We're gonna have to
pick
save
those.
these. We can save these ones for next time. We can do this at home.
Whoa. You got it. You put a tray on top of it,
Which is the bottom, right?
which is the bottom. Yeah.
Wow. While they're growing?
So while they're growing, you take this bottom tray right here.
Yep.
You put it on top like that. And you press it down.
Yep.
Just like that.
Then you sit your big butt on it.
You put a book on it,
Oh.
or a weight, or something that you have.
A brick? You mean?
Or a brick if you have a brick.
Or you could just sit on there for a few days if you want, and then it'll rise you up real good.
So just a big book like this. You put it on top, and we actually use like big bricks, like 5-pound bricks on each side, and it actually raises the bricks up, which is really cool. And then on the bigger trays, we do a 15-pound and then a 5-pound.
Mom.
So it's lifting 20 pounds of weight. It's pretty cool.
Love you.
Love you. Char Char, what's your favorite part about Mimi's house? And Papa's house?
The star.
The stars?
Yeah.
What about the animals?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
like Ralphie and the trampoline?
Yeah.
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 My favorite thing about coming here is I always learn something new. I learned how to be barefoot and that I hate shoes as well. As you see, we are all barefoot out here.
Look at the mouse.
You did.
Mouse.
We were looking for him earlier. We could not find him.
Get over here. Go. We're not gonna put the Ralphie.
Mallory's lifestyle has inspired me so much. I love nature. I love everything healthy. A few years ago, I didn't really care and I didn't think about my health, but Malerie has brought almost all of my knowledge to me. So it's a pretty beautiful thing. I try to enforce that in me and Charlotte's lifestyle to make us just cooler, better humans. So. We're all done with this. You want to go see where Mimi grows her little plants at?
Yeah.
Char Char, which ones of these do you like the most?
I like green.
Ooh, deciding. She didn't know which one.
I'm gonna.
Is that good? Okay, so I think that's the end of the video. Hope you learned how we're young people and we can do the kids simply. If you have anybody that's hard to buy Christmas presents for, I would go on there and grab that. It's super simple. A 3-year-old could do it. They're on a Black Friday sale right now.
Happy
Yes.
going.
So go to barefootmicrogreens.com, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.
Happy growing.
Hey guys. Oh, I can't do it.
I told you.
How do I start? Say that. I'm sweating. To cry. Cancel that.